Here is how to recover your Fantasy Premier League account. If you're having trouble logging into your Fantasy Premier League account, you can do it through the app first. Open the Fantasy Premier League application on your device and try locating and accessing the Contact Us button within the app and follow the prompts to recover your account. Otherwise, you can also recover through the Premier League website, which is premierleague.com. Hit search on your keyboard, and from its official website, go to the bottom of the website that appears. Click on Contact Us option that is between Manage Cookies and Appearance. Go ahead and select it, and this will take you to a new page where you'll find an email address to contact for the account issues or queries. To contact them, you need to long press on the highlighted email address to copy it, and then you can open your Gmail account and try sending an email. Click on the Compose button in the top left corner of the screen, and here enter the Gmail address that you've copied. In the subject field, briefly state your reason for contacting them, for example, Fantasy Premier League account recovery, and in the body of the email, write a request for account recovery. Be sure to include the following essential details like your registered email address, your team name, your last successful login date, and then send the email. Now, what happens next is the Premier League support team will respond to your email within few days, follow any instructions they provide to complete your recovery, and that should definitely help you get back your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.